Cable Systems pay-per-view channel with a galaxy of family entertainment during the month of September, highlighted by the world television premiere of Star Wars. And for you kids, here is a chance to win a great Star Wars t-shirt. Just send us a drawing of your favorite Star Wars character. Don't forget to include your name, address, and age. You might just win a Star Wars t-shirt from T-Shirts Plus of Mall 205. All entries will become the property of Cable Systems, and you'll have a chance to see them on television. Don't wait. Start creating your favorite Star Wars character today. And we'll see you at the grand premiere of Star Wars, Saturday, September 25th on Channel 42.